In primetime news this evening, thousands of prisoners still on the run in Haiti as violence escalates to worrying proportions. Census worker speaks on gaps in the system. And questions raised about status of new municipal building for St. Anne.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Coming up in the business news today, have you ever been searching for an ATM machine and it's not working? Well, there's an app. You don't want to miss how you can access that app and what you need to go and where you need to go. Okay.
And Jordan Fort is here. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, the Jamaica's women's cricketers started their CWI Super 50 campaign with a crushing win over the defending champions Barbados. And again, we're talking about how to save Test cricket for smaller nations or smaller regions like the West Indies. I'll give you all that and more in a Primetime Sports Monday.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have some showers in the forecast for Wednesday, but again, drier conditions are likely thereafter.
All right. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, in what ways can CARICOM help in the ongoing unrest in Haiti?
Now, you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.